Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can get $36.56 free of charge without any investment. Okay guys, so I'm going to dive into tutorial now to explain how you get it and how you invest it back again and get a lot of money concerning that. Okay guys, so let's dive into the tutorial now. The next thing is to go to the app. So I have already the app with me. I have the app with me already. So as you can see, look at this. Do you see this? That is exactly what you'll be given immediately you open this app, okay, with my referral link. Okay, I'm going to drop the referral link down, the referral link on how to open this app. Okay, I'm going to drop it down to the description of this video so that you will use it to register directly and you will be given 36.575. okay guys, so the next thing to do here now is to make sure you follow me to the end of this video, okay, and teach you what exactly to do. Okay, the next thing to do now, you come down to this area, you see earn coins. Okay, you have to click on it like this. By the time you click on it like this, you come down to this place. Do you see that trumps? Okay, you click on it. As you click on it like this, now you come down to this area. Do you see free? You click on it. So as you can see it here, you have to click mass. When you click mass, okay, because we want to use that money given to that 36.557, okay, given to us to reinvest again. So after that, we now be giving 5 trumps every 24 hours. Okay guys, so that is exactly what we are doing now. We want to reinvest it back again without any investment, without paying kobo. Okay guys, now you come down to here, you now come and click on subscription. Immediately you click on subscription, so you will be asked to input your Telegram username. Okay, your Telegram username, you have to insert it here in order to confirm it. So how to get your Telegram username? Next thing to do is to go back to your Telegram. I'm going to my Telegram now. So this is my Telegram now. So I'm going to, you go to this 3-line dot and then you go to settings. So when you get to settings, that is where you will see your username. Do you see my own username? This is my username here. So for those of you, if you don't have, if you have not set your username, you can set it immediately. Okay, you can set it and input it. Okay, so that is where you get yours. So I will now go back to the app again. So I'm going to write my username there, that is AM Gravius. So that is my username. You confirm it. So as you confirm it like this, so it's asking you to put down, please set up your payment password as it is required for both renting mining machine and withdrawing funds. So if you want to withdraw your money or your crypto, you must have a password, pay password. So you have to set it. Okay guys, let me set it now. I'm going to set it. So I have set my payment password, so I will press confirm. Okay, you can see that it's successful now. And then by the time we go back to the opening page now, do you see here, this place, the money given to us has turned to 0. Okay guys, so every 24 hours we will now be giving 5 trons. Okay, 5 trons every 24 hours. So that is how we will be giving 5 trons every 24 hours. And then, so I don't want this tutorial to be long, so if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you stay tuned for my next video. Peace.